Hello everyone, welcome to part 5 of the Servicenow Fresher series. And in this part, we are going to cover incident management. So, basically, as you would have seen in the past videos, I discussed about this base table and the major table that we have. So, when talking about incident management, incident table within ServiceNow also extends one of the base table that we have in ServiceNow, that is task table. So, what is incident management basically? So, first we will try to understand what is incident. So, when I'm saying incident, this word, so it is basically any break in the service. So in the simple terms, whenever any service breaks, then it is known as incident. For example, if you are working in any organization or firm, then you will see that you have Wi-Fi or LAN is there, but so that is a service for that organization that they are providing. And if it breaks, let's say Wi-Fi is not working, then it is one of the incident, and for that an incident can be created. Now, to understand it in ServiceNow, how it works and how to create it, what will be the flow of that incident, how people are going to work, how the different teams will see that incident, how it will be resolved, how it will go to close. So these total scenarios will be known as incident management in ServiceNow. Okay, so to start with, uh, ServiceNow provides incident table out of the box. It's already there. So you need to type incident in application navigator, and we can see here this incident is here. Then we have different options. So how to create these options, how these options are created, I have already explained in my previous videos. You can go and check. So this is create new, assign to me, open, these are like different filters for a same table, but we will, when we will click it, we will have a different view. Okay, so I'm just going to check this open. Okay, how many open incidents are there? So you can see the filter is already there, active true. Okay, so 40 incidents are active right now. Okay, so we are not going to see what are the existing incidents, we are going to create our own incidents. Okay, so let's say I'm working in an organization and I'm facing issue with Wi-Fi. Okay, so I will create one incident. So right now I'm showing you how to create an incident from the backend view. Backend means this is the native view of your instance. Okay, and then one we have is portal. Portal is for end users. So going forward we will cover that also, what is portal, what is native, and how it is like different for different users. So those parts are coming in the next videos, but for now if you are seeing this, this is the native UI of the ServiceNow instance. Okay, let's say we don't want to provide access to all the users to come here on this table, so that because we just want few things from the user and the incident can be created. So of giving access to them for this table or record coming here, we can provide access directly from the portal. They will have their record producers. Okay, so record producer is a type of catalog that will also be discussed in the coming videos, so stay tuned. Okay, so record producers will be there, and just fill the fields on the record producer and it will create incident in the backend. So this all things we are going to see, uh, then we will cover portal, but right now I will just show you from the native UI what is incident, how to create one, and what are the different levels, what are the different stages for this incident from getting open to getting close. Okay, so for example that I took, I am working in any organization and I'm facing one issue with Wi-Fi. So what I'm going to do, so I clicked on new, and you can see this is the form that open up. So this form is a record that I'm going to create. Okay, so on this form you can see there are multiple fields there. Okay, so this is a form, and on this form we have multiple fields. Now you are seeing here number field is there, which is already pre-populated. So I have already shown in my previous video how to create a table, and when you are creating a table, at that time you can add this functionality, so that anytime on that table if new record is getting created, this number will be uh, increasing one by one, and you don't have to give it for your own manually. So you can check my video. So yeah, so I'm creating this video, number is auto populated, and now the second thing is color. So this form is asking me to put caller. Now what is caller? So caller is who has been affected by this, uh, I mean, for this incident. Okay, so and we can see this asterisk here, here and here. So this means these fields are mandatory. If you are not providing the value, it won't be saved. This form will not be saved and processed further. Okay, you will be getting one error. I will show you. So if I, let's say, I'm providing caller. So caller is me. I'll just type system administrator. You can see it is coming up. So it is filled. Now it is blacked. So it means this is not mandatory now because the value is already populated here. Now you can see short description is also mandatory. Let's not provide the value, and I will try to save the form. You can see one error is coming up that short description value is not filled. So we will provide that value. Before that, let's go one by one. What are the different fields? So I am submitting, so I am creating incident for Wi-Fi issue. So that will be wireless. Okay, we are using, okay, we are using Wi-Fi and that's not working. Now short description, issue with Wi-Fi. Okay, and in description we need to describe what issue we are facing. So that is just short description, issue with Wi-Fi. So in description also we can just type the same thing. For now, for testing, Wi-Fi not working, that's fine. Now channel can be self-service for me because I'm doing it for myself. But let's say if I have asked someone else to create that incident, so it will be like I had a chat with him, or I emailed him, or over a phone I told that person. Then there are some like walk-in or virtual agent. So virtual agent is a totally different topic we will be seeing in the coming videos. But there are some channels. So channel is basically how this incident got created, through which way. So right now it will be self-service, then state will be new, then nothing else. So all important fields are already done. I will just quickly save it. So it's getting saved. You can see this new incident has been created. Now as we are seeing incident management, so you should know what are the stages of any incident. Okay, so first thing is we got the issue. Okay, and we categorized it, you can see here, and the issue has been logged. Okay, so that is the first stage. Okay, the second stage will be, it will be notified to the team who is going to work on this incident, who will solve this issue. Okay, so for that, in ServiceNow we have notifications. Okay, so right now in the notes section you can see activities. So if there is a notification already in place, okay, so what will happen whenever incident created and the category is network and subcategory is wireless, so we can notify a team or any single person that okay, this incident has been created, please look on this and resolve it, right? So that is also given in ServiceNow out of the box. We will see notifications when we will cover incident problem change. After that, I will go on to this notification part. Okay, like how it works. I will show it on incident and it will work on same one problem and change. So you will get it. But that will come in, I mean, after 3 videos. But for now, you can just think the first stage is logging of incident. I mean, understanding the issue, logging it, and the second is notifying the person who is going to work. Let's say someone has been notified, and that group is, we will just see who will be that group. So, as this looks like hardware issue, we will just assign to that hardware group, and in that, we will see how many people are there. There are many people. So, I'll just select maybe David Dan. So this person is going to work on this incident. Okay. So I am able to do it manually because I am the admin. Okay. So that's why I'm able to do. But as an end user, okay, when any person is going to create incident, these things will be auto populated, or there will be support team which will be checking incident every time it is coming and it will be assigning to a specific team. Okay. Right now I am just doing it. Now again I'll just save it. So the second stage is also done. Notification is done and this has been escalated and assigned to a group who are going to work on this. Okay. Now David is working. Let's say David got the issue and he fixed it. Okay. So and now you can see when the assigned to has changed, state has moved to in progress. Now we have 6 states here, right? So new when the incident was created, then it moved to in progress. Once it is assigned to any person, it means the incident is in progress. Okay, it is being worked on. So that's the second state. Now comes the on hold. On hold means, let's say I'm just selecting on hold. So you can see one field came up. What is the on hold reason? So on hold reason is I'm just awaiting caller, awaiting caller. Okay. Now this is one of the mandatory fields. We will see. So now the person who has requested this, he will be notified that okay, your incident was worked on and you have received this. So once the user, the caller, again comments back that okay, it has been resolved. So at that time what will move back to in progress, and then again the assigned to person will be notified that okay, caller has notified that okay, it is working fine. So what is the next step? Next step is that David will move on to resolve this. Okay, that okay, it has been resolved. So see, once I clicked on the resolve, it took me here. Now these are the mandatory fields to move any incident to resolved state. So solution provided, I'll select, and issue has been fixed. Okay. Now again I'll just resolve it and this has been resolved. Now you can see it is coming, incident has been resolved. I'll again click on this and you can see the state has been moved to resolved. So after like when incident has moved to resolved state, there are some jobs, scheduled jobs in ServiceNow, which runs daily or periodically, and they check that the incidents which are in resolved state for more than 30 days. So those jobs will change it to closed. We can do it manually also. Okay. So I can just select close incident and you can see has been permanently closed. Now I'll go back again and now I can't edit these fields because this is already done and no one is going to work on it again. So we saw here the first stage, that is understanding the issue, creating incident, that is logging the incident. Then second is acknowledging that someone is going to work, notification will be shared. Third is working on the incident. So trying to understand the root cause of it and solving that and resolving it and again moving to close. So that this is all the stage, and this whole process is known as incident management in ServiceNow. Now, within this incident management, well, when I said notification, when I said it is going to be worked by any other group, how they are going to receive that. So these things you will see in the upcoming videos where I will show you how notification is going, how user is receiving, and those things will be coming here in the activity. Right now you can't see it because there are no notifications. Once we create it, you will see that notification has been sent with one subject, with body, and who are the users who received it. Okay, so everything will be in this activities. So these things we will see in the upcoming videos. Right now this was all about incident management. If there are any questions on this, please let me know in the comments. I will try to get back on that. And now after this I will create videos on problem management and change management, and then we have many other videos coming up. So we have notifications, we will discuss about catalog items, record producers. Then we have, so when I'm saying record producer or catalog item, that is service catalog. That is a whole different thing. So we will see that. Then we have different scripts coming up, how it is working in service now, what are the out of the box provided methods. So we will see these things step by step. Okay, so right now the 5 videos are there, and if you have any questions on anything till now, just let me know. I will try to answer. Thank you. See you in the next video.